The Sled Push On Treadmill is an excellent sled push alternative if you don't have access to a prowler sled or the required space to use it. This builds strength and power in your glutes, legs, and core. I'm using the S-Drive Performance Trainer Treadmill from Matrix, which is a manual self-powered treadmill set up at a 7% incline. This motorless treadmill has a sled brake, which provides 8 different resistance settings to match the same sledding pushing experience if you are on turf. To get started, if needed, unclip and remove the harness belt from the treadmill. Adjust the sled brake resistance on the treadmill. And if you're training for speed, go with a lighter weight for a longer duration, or if you're training for strength and power, add more weight and lower the duration of the set. Place your hands on the front railing, then get low while driving your legs. You can place your hands on the high railing or on a more challenging lower railing. Be sure to keep your core tight to maintain a neutral spine. The first few steps of the sled push will be hardest, but once you get moving, you'll pick up the speed. Once you hit your desired duration, stop walking to slow the treadmill down and step off. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.